Hello, car friends! Every recommendation in this video has been confirmed by professionals here at the shop, so relax. Your problem has a solution. You're driving your Mazda 6 and suddenly the dashboard shows battery management system malfunction. The first thing you might think is, oh no, my battery is dead and this is going to cost me a fortune. Don't worry, most of the time it's not that serious. The system is just letting you know that something isn't right with the battery or how it's being charged. The most common cause reported by mechanics in this shop is the battery itself. Even if the car starts, an old or unstable battery can confuse the BMS and trigger the alert. Many mechanics have fixed this by replacing the battery with one that meets Mazda's specifications, especially on models with iStop Start, which are very sensitive to voltage. But attention, replacing the battery alone doesn't always solve the problem. Mechanics also point out that dirty or loose terminals and connections are silent troublemakers. Corrosion or loose wires can make electricity flow irregularly, and the BMS interprets that as a fault. Cleaning and tightening the terminals is often a cheap and effective fix that many owners appreciate. Another important point is that the warning doesn't always go away immediately after changing the battery or cleaning the terminals. That's because the system stores the old error code. That's why mechanics recommend clearing the code with a proper scanner or doing a battery reset by disconnecting it for a few minutes. This allows the BMS to read fresh and the light usually disappears. There are also cases where the issue is a bit more complicated. Some mechanics report that alternator problems or issues with the IE loop system can also trigger the alert, because these systems don't deliver charge properly, and the BMS interprets it as a battery problem. So if the light remains after checking the battery and connections, those more advanced components may need inspection.